Morning guys, so obviously I'm in my scruffs again. It's not a work day, but we're at another SCUK meet and drive out, and I've just had the experience of being able to drive this amazing 911. I've got to say, it makes my M3 look absolutely crap. The handling and the speed is just insane. That'll be a nice one to go in next. So I'm just going to show you some cars, what we're actually going to be looking around with. There's a lot of guys here today, a lot of cars still turning up. It's only going to be a short vlog, but I'll try and get some videos in this. And I said this is just part of SCUK, so do make sure you follow those guys or even join the club. Amazing group of members around here. We've been out for the last 2 days on a couple of meals, and you know what, it's just one of the best clubs I've actually been in for a while. So let me get some video footage now for you guys, and we'll get some of these cars onto camera. So I've just got back from the SCUK meet that we were on this morning. I just want to say a big thank you to obviously SCUK for supporting it, James for planning the run and sort of managing the run, and letting me drive the GT3, which was insane, and also for Hinesh for letting me drive the new 911 4S, which again, same 911, completely different kettle of fish and just as much of a weapon. And just thanks for a great event guys, and obviously we'll be at a few more. Now I didn't get a lot of footage, unfortunately on this one I didn't bring the camera, so I didn't get so much footage, but obviously here's some clips from the cars that were there. Cheers again.